Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Wastelanders. In this video, I will explain how to duplicate resources in Fallout 4, giving you an endless supply of crafting materials. To begin, make sure you are inside any of your settlements where you can access the workshop. Next, select a single junk item or resource from your inventory that you wish to multiply. It is often easiest if this is the only item of its kind in your personal inventory, making it simpler to manage during the glitch. Now that you have your chosen item, drop it directly onto the ground within your settlement. It is important that the item appears as a single stack, even if you are dropping multiple pieces of the same material. Once the item is clearly on the ground, quickly enter your workshop mode. This prepares the game for the precise timing needed to execute the duplication glitch effectively. This is the critical step for duplication. While in workshop mode, aim your crosshair directly at the item you dropped. Now, press the scrap button and almost instantly after, press and hold the store button. If timed correctly, you will see two menu prompts overlapping on your screen. While still holding store, confirm the scrap option, then release store and confirm the store option. This action will effectively double your item count. Congratulations! You have successfully duplicated your first item. To continue multiplying your resources, simply exit workshop mode and then re-enter it. This refreshes the game state, allowing you to repeat the scrap and store process on the now larger stack of items. You can perform this trick repeatedly to generate thousands of any scrapable resource, providing you with virtually infinite materials for all your settlement building and crafting projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.